Alright, so I'm here at Brian Daly's place, getting my car done, and it looks dope. Woo! Look at it, looks legit. Oh yeah, like it's almost done. Nice. Oh man, that is nice and dark. Check that out. So I have this wrapped all the way around. I believe we're using a 30-70% ceramic. Medical Black Pearl, I believe, is the name of the tint. Look at it, looks amazing. Oh, and then they also do like full wraps here too, so I'll get that sometime in a couple of weeks after my paint cures. I just got my car covered in window tint. You guys want to come over here, check it out. It's really sleek. All of it matches. You got the front and the back all matching. The back's already tinted a little bit, but the front I did a 30%, and then the back's actually a 70%. So they put a clear on it, so it reduces like the heat that actually comes in, but it's still the same. It's still the same darkness as the front. So the front and the back, now you can see it matches perfectly fine. On the back side, we did the exact same thing. It has to clear too. You can't really see it if you're looking in, but if you really look in, then you can actually see inside of it. And then also what I did was we did a heat, I think some kind of thing to keep the heat out, but it's clear. We also did that on the front, and then on the top, on the moonroof, and then on the front, we actually did another piece to keep heat out as well on the front side. As you can't really see it because it's clear, but check it out. Looks like a Batmobile. It's gonna be clean, it's gonna be cold. We're gonna keep the heat out, keep the cool in. Get some for yourself. Oh, it might not be legal in your state. I'd check around and see. Time to go. Brian Daly. Shit. Sentry mode. So this is the car with window tint right here. This actually is clear. This is doesn't let heat in. I think it's about a 70%. And here it's actually window tint, and you can probably see the difference right there. And also the back is about the same, right? Top. This is during the day with window tint. Still looks great. And then I will bring it down here. See the difference there? And then up top is clear. It will have the heat as well. This is what the window tint looks on the inside. So we're actually going to do a nighttime test to see how clearly you can see from the inside out. This is a video showing that you can see perfectly fine in lighted situations. Thanks for watching the video, guys. I hope you get some window tint for your Model Y or Model 3 or your Tesla. Comment, like, share, subscribe. Thanks.